walk y'all through how to clone Oxy through GitHub Desktop. So let's get started. First, I'm going to click File, and then Clone Repository. And with the github.com tab selected, I'm going to enter Benny Wilson /Oxy. Now down here under Local Path, make sure your path points to wherever you want the project to be cloned. I typically place mine in the Projects folder at the root of the drive that I'm working on. Whenever you're ready, press Clone. Now Oxy is a pretty big project and it takes up a lot of storage, so this can take several minutes, so sit tight for a bit. Okay, when you get this dialog box, go ahead and initialize Git LFS. LFS stands for Large File Storage and allows the repo to store bigger files than normal. And then you're done. Now that Oxy has finished cloning, let's navigate to the folder where we downloaded it. In my case, it is on the D drive, under Projects, under Oxy. We're going to open up this README file and follow the set of instructions here. The first thing we're going to do is download the zip file. This contains the Unreal editor and the binaries needed to actually open up the editor and make modifications to Oxy. So I'm going to copy that, open up a web browser, paste it, and the download will start. Now this is a pretty big download, so you'll be waiting a while, so sit tight. Now that the download has finished, we want to move it into the root folder of our project. If you're using a browser like Chrome, you might see the Show in Folder link that you can click. That'll take you right to your Downloads folder. Alternatively, in File Explorer, in this left panel, you can find your Downloads folder by going to this PC and Downloads. Now what we're going to do is right-click on our downloaded zip file and select Cut. Then we're going to go back over to our Oxy directory, right-click again, and select Paste. And then from here, we right-click the file, and then Extract Here. Now that the zip file has finished extracting, we can open up the Oxy editor. The very first time we do that, right-click on this Oxy U project, go to Open With, and find the Unreal Editor executable inside the UE5 directory we just extracted. Okay, and now the editor's opening. The first time it might take a while the engine's compiling shaders. That's normal. Every time after that, it should go a lot faster. Also, the next time you want to run the editor, you can just double click on this Oxy U project, and it'll just open. Okay, let's open a map now. Go to the upper left and click File, and then Open Level. Now they're going to start you in the content directory, so click Oxy, scroll down, find Maps, and then open the Game folder. And this is where all our game maps are going to live. Right now I'm going to open up the Mass App level, which is our drive-by level. And if you see like missing textures and models, that should resolve eventually as the editor is building all that. To move it around in Unreal, you're going to hold down the right mouse button, and then you can use WASD to move, or you can just slide the mouse around to look. Let's open another level. I'm going to go back to File, Open Level, and then click this red line map, and here we are in the redline level. Now, whenever you want to play test, you can come up here to this little green triangle and click on that, and it'll open up what we call Pi, which is Play in Editor, and you can test your map. So that's about it. Have fun.